And her job is to ensure the quality of partners, integration with the paper and team. If she has 2 kids, which means she has no life.
Fellow Toastmasters and friends, I have a few things that I'd like to show you. A pinwheel, a lamp, coals, and cones. What do all these have in common? They all produce energies. That, in other words, they are the source of energy. Energy comes in different forms. Heat, that's what happens when you burn the coal. Light, when you turn on the lamps. Another form is mechanical. That's what happens when wind blows through the pinwheel. And chemical, that's when you extract sugar from the cones to turn it to ethanol, which powers our cars. Another 2 forms of energy is electrical and nuclear energy. Even though they are different sources, but we can all group them into 2 groups, renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Renewable energy is an energy that we can replenish within a short period of time. This slide shows you what are the renewable energy, like the solar that we got from the sun, which you can turn into electricity and heat. The biomass that comes from plants, wind, and geothermal that comes from the earth itself, and hydropower and ocean energy that from water are also renewable energy sources. Non-renewable energy is the energy that once it is used, it cannot be created in a short period of time. For example, it takes nature millions of years to produce oil, coal, gas, but once we use it, it's gone. According to the latest statistics, 93.3, oops, sorry, hit the wrong button. 93.3% of the energy we consume in the United States is non-renewable energy. The top 3 of them, oil, gas, coal, account for 83.3% of it. Of course, we cannot continue going on this trail forever. That's why more and more renewable energy are getting traction. However, if you think renewable energy is something new, you'll be very surprised. Because for thousands of years, people have been burning wood for cooking and heating. In the United States and for the rest of the world, until the mid-19th century, wood is the major source of heating. Until these days, in most developed countries, wood is still their major source. Another major source of biomass is our garbage. Trash that comes from plant or animal products, like food scraps, clippings, and leaves, are all examples of biomass trash. This kind of trash can be turned into energy by burning them through an waste-to-energy plant or by capturing biogas. In waste-to-energy plant, they can burn all this biomass trash to produce steam that can be turned into electricity or by generate biogas. In landfills, biogas can also be collected to use as a fuel source. Of course, these days, when we talk about biomass, what we think about is corn, not trash. This slide shows you how we turn corn into a source of energy. First, of course, you harvest the corn, then you finely grind it, you extract the sugar from the corn, you distill it to make ethanol. Then ethanol can be used by our vehicles, so they can run on the street. Then, of course, when the vehicle runs, it produces carbon dioxide, which can be reabsorbed by original crops. That's why it's called renewable. Another concept I want to talk about is energy efficiency. In the perfect world, we want the energy efficiency to be as high as possible. However, it always takes some energy when you transform from one form of energy into the other. And in fact, most energy efficiency is not good in most of the machines we use. Our human body is a perfect example. Our human body is like a machine, and the food we use is the energy that enables us to think, to talk, to move. But our body is so bad at energy efficiency. In most cases, less than 5% of what we eat turns into energy that enables us to do what I just mentioned. And all the rest got turned into heat and just gone with the wind. Above is just a short introduction about energy. If you want to know more, you are welcome to Google it online. But remember, when you Google online, what impulses us to do that is the electricity, the form of the energy that makes browsing possible.